Okay, so we're going to do inequalities again, but I'm just going to add a couple things to what we learned on Wednesday. Alright, so this first one, we just like you're solving the equation, you're going to add your 2 marks first. So add your 2 marks to everything. Then we have two things that we can combine like terms because they're on the same side. So 5x plus negative 7x is negative 2x plus negative 4 is greater than or equal to negative 8. Now we can just draw the t. We're going to add a positive 4 to both sides. So that cancels. We're left with negative 2x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Divide by negative 2 and divide by negative 2. This is what changes. This is what we haven't learned yet. So pay attention. The negative 2's cancel and we get x. Now, because we're dividing by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So it's no longer greater than or equal to, it's x is less than or equal to positive 2. And so we're going to put a closed circle on 2, and then it's everything that is less than 2. Alright, so remember, if you are dividing by a negative, that means that you have to flip the sign. Okay, we're going to do one more example that has actually has a variable on both sides. So we're going to first we'll add our 2 marks. We're going to add a 5 to both sides, and we get 6x is greater than 16 plus negative 2x. Then we're going to add positive 2x to both sides. We get 8x is greater than 16. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. X is greater than 2. So that's an open circle, and it's everything that is greater than 2. That one did not have a negative, so that is why we didn't have to flip the sign. It's only when you divide right here by negative. So if we go back and look, see we divided by negative 2, so that's why the sign has to flip.